Hey friends, today is Monday. It's March 9. It's 3 p.m. and I've decided to make a quick haul video sa Anko quick run natin and also yung mga parcel natin to make our overnight oats. But of course, before we proceed, as you can see sa past video natin is we went back and forth sa Medical City para sa laboratory natin. And yun, para ma-schedule na siya. And honestly, it's so stressful and hassle. Kasi it was supposed to be like 1 day lang talaga siya. But ang daming technical difficulty na nangyari sa card ko. So, I need to contact my HR and so on and so forth. But I'm so happy guys na after 5 days, nakuha na natin yung result natin. And we've already sent this sa doctor ko and I'm just waiting sa schedule ng operation natin. But yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. But right now, of course, let's have a quick haul from Anko and then let's open our parcel. So, nandito na lang siya sa paper bag. Unahin na lang natin siya. So, eto guys, I've been hearing a lot sa Anko. Sabi ko, why not try it? Kasi, sabi ko parang, iba na talaga eh. Adulting na talaga. Alam nyo guys, bumili ako sa Anko ng plates. Like, everything na binili ko is plates lang talaga. And ang mura lang niya guys. I only spent 520 pesos sa mga nabili kong plates, which is so aesthetic. Okay guys. Di pa namin siya nagagamit kasi hindi ko pa binubuksan. Tinatamad ako. Ang dami kong ginagawa in the past week. So wala na akong time mag-open ng parcel and gamitin to. So this is how it looks like. Look at that, guys. Look. Sobrang worth it na 120 pesos mo. Like, each plate na nabili ko is 120 pesos lang. I just purchased 4 plates na magkakaibang design. This is the other design. All white, pero almost the same. This one. Same lang din siya. So, this is all we got sa Anko. Ang ganda, diba guys? So aesthetic. 3 different types of plates. Dito, siguro may sabaw, and then, may sarsa na food. And dito is yung everyday plate namin. I should say this is a happy purchase. Let's move on dito na sa mga parcel natin, which is pang overnight meals natin, yung sinasabi ko kanina. But, let me open this kasi 2 weeks na ata to. Ito ata yung lipstick ko. This is our lipstick. The Maybelline Superstay. Kasi paubos na yung Superstay ko na isa. So, I purchased one. Number 65, Seductress. This one. Nabili ko lang siya na I guess 200 plus kasi naka-sale. Ang tagal na siya naka-add to cart sa akin pero inaantay ko mag-sale. So, I've decided to check out na nakita ko na naka-sale siya. And this is super worth it guys. As in literally super stay talaga siya. Buong araw, like 24 hours talaga, nag-stay talaga siya sa lips ko. Nahirapan akong tanggalin. Dahan-dahan lang, baka masira. Sabi ko na eh, dahan-dahan lang, baka masira eh. Aba yan. I hate it. Nasira na siya. Ita-transfer ko na lang siya sa lagayan. This is the rolled oats. It comes with chia seeds, pumpkin seeds, and the sliced almonds. This is only 247 or 274. Lahat na siya. And this one, ito yung lagayan. I bought 2 pieces, guys, and it already comes with spoon. Color pink and gray. This is already buy one take one. Wow! Okay, ganito siya, guys. Ito yung takip, dito mo siya ilalagay, and then yung spoon niya dito. Perfect. Gray. Hindi na mabuksan, but this is 300 ml. And also, I purchased measuring cups. Para matansya natin, we got this in color black. Guys, this is only 28 pesos. How many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10 pieces. Lahat na ng pang-measure is nandito.
Abangan mo na lang pag na-edit.
So, this is the overnight oats meal na ginawa natin.
The color that I want instead of guessing yung ready na baby natin siyang lahat. Kahit wala.
Pero di niya alam yun. Apple siya. Pagpilit.
So, hey friends, nag-edit na ako ng ating vlog and then I found out na wala na naman tayong outro. Well, I guess ito na lang yung outro natin. Kung umabot ka sa last video na to, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in our next vlog.